Dr. Nitish Sengupta, Chairman, Board for Reconstruction of Public Sector Enterprises, members of the MDI Board of Governors, Professor Mukul Gupta, Director MDI, Professor Ashok Panjwani, Dean, Graduate Programs, Professor Ashok Kapoor, Dean, Executive Graduate Programs, Professor S. Chatterjee, Dean, Consulting and Executive Development, Professor N.P. Singh, Dean, Research and Accreditation, members of diplomatic missions, distinguished guests, parents and family members of our students, faculty and staff, friends from the media, and my dear graduating students. On behalf of the Board of Governors and on my own behalf, I welcome you all to the 2013 convocation of Management Development Institute, Gurgaon. It is indeed a great pleasure for me to extend a warm welcome to our chief guest, Dr. Nitish Sengupta. His presence here is a great honor for us and a great inspiration for the graduating students. Dr. Sengupta is a role model for all of us. The few glimpses I had of him as a junior officer in the Planning Commission when he was its member secretary have left a deep imprint on me on what a civil servant should be like. Many of you might know him more as the driving force in the journey of IMI from a relatively obscure institution to one of the most prestigious management schools of the country. However, when I say that Dr. Sengupta is a role model for all of us, it is literally so, not only for the civil servants like me and academics like you, but also for politicians, since it is worth remembering that he represented with distinction Medinipur, West Bengal in our Lok Sabha. In fact, Dr. Sengupta manifests the glorious face of India's idealism, best exemplified in some of those who came of age immediately after independence, an idealism which, however eroded or battered, is still the force that binds this nation together. In what is somewhat of a homecoming for Dr. Sengupta, who has been also the chairman of the Board of Governors of MDI, I do hope that he endorses the developments at MDI since then as worthy of his legacy. I welcome my colleagues on the Board of Governors whose guidance and continued support have helped MDI achieve excellence in all its activities. I would also like to extend a warm welcome to our esteemed guests from the government and corporate world and representatives of foreign missions. We are honored by your presence here on this auspicious occasion. MDI was set up by IFCI in 1973, a society devoted to management, education, and research. Over the years, it has grown substantially, which gets reflected in the number and quality of the programs it offers. Ranked consistently among the top business schools of the country, the Institute has earned an outstanding reputation for itself because of its dedicated and committed faculty and the hard work and sincerity of the officers and staff. As a result of their efforts, the Institute has been able to create an indelible imprint at the national and international levels in the fields of academics and research. Above all, however, the reputation that MDI enjoys today is a reflection of the contributions made by the students of MDI in their careers in the world of business, academics, and public life. MDI provides an enabling environment for nurturing talent, excellence, and innovation. Global networking provides MDI students and faculty the much-needed opportunities for sharing experiences and adopting best practices. Through its various training and consulting assignments, the Institute facilitates the process of bringing about improvements in organizational practices in the public and private sectors. In a span of 40 years, MDI Gurgaon has attained an enviable position in all the 4 areas of business: education, training, research, and consulting. I would like to congratulate Professor Mukul Gupta, Director MDI, for yet another and a very unique initiative of setting up at MDI the first of its kind International Summer University. Under the ISU, MDI has added 10 Indian universities and institutions to form a network of learning wherein 40 international students and 40 students from Indian institutions would take courses from 9 faculty from MDI's international partner schools. This year, a new activity center is being constructed to add to the infrastructure and provide for more classrooms and other student facilities. 64 new housing units are also being built to accommodate more faculty and staff within the campus. I would also like to thank the faculty and staff of MDI for their sincere efforts all through the year, which has led to this convocation. I would like to convey my heartiest congratulations to the parents and members of the families of all the graduating students and compliment them for providing their children with the guidance to withstand the pressures of a very demanding course at MDI and come out with flying colors. My heartiest congratulations to the graduating students. You carry the burden of all our hopes and aspirations. I do hope that we have equipped you well to shoulder that burden. The business environment the world over is rife with uncertainty that one might say the world has not seen since the days of Industrial Revolution. The knowledge and skills, but more importantly, the moral and ethical values that MDI encourages will be a great start, which I am sure you would all carry forward to make us all very proud of each one of you. Let me take this opportunity to thank my colleagues on the board for their wholehearted support. I acknowledge the time and effort they have given to MDI unhesitatingly. A very warm welcome to all of you once again. I now invite the Director MDI to share with all of us the progress and achievements over the last 1 year. Thank you.